There's one common trait amongst successful people. It doesn't matter if it's with online arbitrage on Amazon, it doesn't matter if it's on YouTube, because yes, we are going to talk a little bit about YouTube today, because this channel, thanks to you guys, is soon going to be monetized. And I wanted to take this example and what it took for me to reach that point, to illustrate why a lot of you guys are not able to be successful on Amazon, because you see a common trait. It doesn't matter, you can apply it in every single thing that you do. And this is what we are going to talk about today, because it's been a while that I haven't given you guys a video such as this one where I tell you to get your shit together. So before we actually dive into this, you guys know I'm now offering one-on-one coaching. So if you need someone to help you grow your Amazon business faster, if you need someone to help you scale or to just kickstart your Amazon business, doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a little bit more advanced, link in the description, you can book a call with me. You need to remember that what is stopping you from, if you do not make any money right now on Amazon, it's costing you what you could make if you are not trying to grow your business. So if you are making zero right now and you want to make $100,000 profit a year, it's costing you $100,000 a year because you're not making that money, right? So if you want to do it faster, link in the description, book a call. I'm increasing the price tomorrow. Second link in the description, Discord server. Best place to actually start networking with other people, because this is one of the things that is going to help you get ahead in this business. Join the Discord server, come hang out with us, come talk with people. So the one trait that you see among successful people, by the way, I hope you like the new background and stuff like that. I wanted to make this video while standing up because I thought that it was something important and I could not sit down for that. So the thing that you will need, it doesn't matter in which area you want to be successful, if it's in sports, if it's on Amazon, if it's with business, if it's with school, if you are studying law, something difficult, if you want to be a doctor, you are going to need to be relentless. And just look at this YouTube channel. The way I was able to reach and I cannot even say that word, monetization, I don't even know how to say this word, I'm really sorry. But the way I was able to do this is, if you look on my channel, I've been uploading a video every single day since January 1st. It's August 11th, I think, and I haven't missed a day. But what you do not even see is that before I actually started posting on YouTube, because you guys can see that I'm actually pretty comfortable talking in front of a camera. And this is something that you need to train, because when you start, it's not going to be the case for you. But what you guys do not see is that before I actually started posting on YouTube, I bought this camera and I was filming myself every single day. I was carrying this camera around just to start being comfortable with, in front of camera. And I probably did it for 2 years. I was talking to myself, to my camera. For 2 years, I was vlogging every single day of my life, just so I can get more comfortable in front of a camera. I did it for close to 2 years, I believe, before I actually started posting video on YouTube. And so you need to realize that you will not reach your goals if you are not relentless, with whatever you do. And what does being relentless means? The definition of being relentless, I should say, is being obsessively constant. This is something like that. And so you need to apply pressure. If you want to be relentless, you need to apply pressure every single day. It does not matter if you feel bad. Because do you guys think, sincerely, that during this whole year, it's been 8 months, all right? It's been 8 months and a half, or 7 months and a half, something like that, that I've actually started uploading videos every single day on YouTube. Do you think that there's no days that I felt down? Do you think that, and I'm pretty sure, because you guys do not know my backstory, you guys do not know where I come from, I am 100% sure that I had to face 10 times more adversity than a lot of you guys, than 99% of you guys that are actually looking at this channel, because you do not see it in the videos. But I had a year that was super stressful. You have no idea how stressful was my year. You do not know how much stress I had to face during this year. You do not know how much adversity I had to face during this year. This year was a super hard year for me. Even the year before that, it was a terrible year for me. It was super hard. It was super stressful due to a lot of reasons that I'm not going to talk about in this video. But nevertheless, ever since I started uploading on YouTube, I haven't missed a day. It did not matter if I fell down. It did not matter if I felt bad. It did not matter if I was depressed. It did not matter if I was stressed. It did not matter if I had other things going on in my life. But my number one goal was to bring this channel to monetization. And what I did is I remained constant with my amount of input. I released one video every single day until I reached my goal. And I'm going to reach my goal right now in a couple of days. And so I'm super glad and I'm super thankful for all of you to just watch the content. But you need to be super constant with what you do, and you need to be inflexible. One of the secondary definition of being relentless is that it's being inflexible and not being flexible. You cannot bargain with yourself. So it's the same thing if you actually want to be successful on Amazon. You need to be sourcing every single day, because a lot of you guys like to do, what you guys like to do is to actually not doing anything for a whole week and then doing a fucking sprint from the morning to the night. You work a 15-hour days and you think that it's going to save your ass. No, it's not going to save your ass. You need to be relentless. You need to do this every single day. Of course, when your business starts growing and stuff like that, you do not need to do it every single day, but you need to have constant pressure. You need to always have inventory going to Amazon. The only reason why you are not successful is because you haven't gone through that phase of you being relentless with sourcing and then you being relentless with sending inventory to Amazon. This is why you're not successful, because you think that it's easy. This business is not easy. It's simple. It's simple. You just need to send products to Amazon. Now you need to find the products, you need to understand market cycle, you need to understand all that stuff to be able to do it constantly and to apply pressure constantly. You need to keep applying pressure. You cannot release. Because the thing is this. I told you guys that I have not been sourcing a lot in the last couple of months, in the last couple of weeks, but the pressure that I'm applying is still the same because I'm still sending a ton of profitable inventory to Amazon. This is why my business is in maintenance and growing slowly. Of course, right now my business is a little bit down because of a lot of reasons that I told you, but the amount of pressure is still the same. I just do not need to be sourcing every single day to apply this pressure because I can source. I have more knowledge about market cycles, about all that stuff, about where to find profitable inventory. That is way easier for me, but I can apply pressure. I'm still applying pressure where it matters. Where it matters is sending inventory to Amazon. Whenever I have money available, I send money to Amazon. I have other business that I'm investing to, taking money out of the business, but I'm still being disciplined. I'm still sending money to, I'm still sending inventory all the time to Amazon. And so if you leave life, actually bend your will, if I can say it like this. If you start being flexible and bargaining with yourself and saying, oh, I'm too tired to source today, I'll source tomorrow, I'll do double tomorrow, and then you skip one more day and stuff like that, you are never going to be successful. You need to be relentless. As I said, look as an example what I did with this YouTube channel ever since January 1st. I've posted a video because this was my number one goal for the year. My number one goal for the year was to get this YouTube channel monetized. I started with 0 subscribers, not 0, I had probably 7 subscribers, something like that, like something close to 7 subscribers. But I had my channel for like probably since 2009. I don't remember exactly. You can look on my YouTube profile. I had this channel since 2009, and so this is where the 7 subscribers come from. I've never posted anything. I posted some videos, but it was like some bullshit, when you're a kid. Because I'm one of the generation that grew up with YouTube, that really grew up with YouTube, like since the beginning. And but I started with nothing and I was able to bring this channel to monetization while a lot of guys cannot do it. The only thing that differs between these guys and me is just being relentless. I just posted 1 video a day until now, and I'm going to keep going because I have more goals with this YouTube channel. So, what lesson do you need to learn from this video? You need to start from today. You need to start to apply a lot of pressure. You need to apply constant pressure every single day to the things that's going to help you grow. It doesn't matter if it's with Amazon. If it's with Amazon, great. Watch my other videos. Subscribe to my channel. If it's with other stuff, you still need to apply pressure constantly. If you are at school, you want to be a lawyer, you need to apply pressure constantly. You need to read articles. You need to read the law. You need to understand the law. You need to read those articles. You need to do that studying every single day, because it's easy to do it right before the test and stuff like that. But it's not how you're going to be successful. If you want to be a great lawyer and stuff like that, if you want to be a great lawyer, you are going to need to read all the time. You are going to need to read case all the time to understand. You are going to need to find new 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 stuff to read about what it is that you are doing. It's the same thing with Amazon. You need to keep learning, you need to keep sourcing, you need to keep understanding, finding new websites to understand how to source. You are going to need to do all that stuff. It's not going to be easy, but you need to be relentless. It does not matter what's happening outside of outside of your little sphere, but you need to apply pressure every single day. It does not matter if there's another pandemic. It does not matter if you are sad. It does not matter if your cat died. It does not matter. All that stuff does not matter. Your number one priority must be your business. You need to be relentless. You need to apply this pressure every single day. If you do not do it, you are not going to be successful. This is the only thing holding you back. This is the only reason why you cannot reach that goal that you set for yourself. It's just because you are not relentless. Just start being relentless, you'll reach those goals. You are going to be able to grow your Amazon business. So that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you like this background. I just went to my and I just set my camera on a tree. So if you like the background, if you like the setup like this, let me know. Because I'm still going to be in Belgium for a little while, and so I'm not in my office in Miami, you've noticed. But yeah, let me know if this video was helpful. Subscribe, like the video, watch these other videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.